No boring gal, boring gal. No man no want no boring gal. Yeah, boring gal. You say my gal, she can broke out. Gal, you a brocky broker. You know fi turn it that way. You a brocky broker. You know fi fling out your foot, then you a brocky broker. You know fi play with me body with the cocoa butter. You know fi sit down. You a brocky broker. Gal, wine fi the dan. You a brocky broker. Your body right fi the dan. You a brocky broker. Fluffy ass, slim tummy tucker. You a brocky broker.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. We're gonna just kick this video off. Pretty much I'll be showing you 3 different things in which you can do to just, you know, spice up the bedroom, loosen up the bedroom, give it a different feel, especially if you don't have a headboard or you don't plan on getting one. I'll be giving you 3 alternatives that you can use instead of getting a headboard.
My country people, yes, them go talk. My country people, yes, them go talk. My country people, yes, them go talk. Forget about the big things, so say make we talk about the small things, so forget about the big things, so say make we talk about the small things, so
Hi guys, so welcome back. So one of the first things that you can do to just refresh your bedroom area or to focus on the bed is the basics. You need to ensure that you have proper bedding, sheets, linens, and those things. So you need to ensure that whatever you decide to choose to spread your bed, it matches with the whole area. It complements. It doesn't have to be matchy, but it complements with the wall. So that's one of the first things that you want to do. Fortunately for me, I have white walls, which pretty much can go with everything. So I got this sheet here, and I got this comforter set, and I bought some extra pillows, and you can get some decorative pillows, and that's one of the first things that you can do. You don't necessarily need to have a headboard to make your space look fancy. Having a nice bed set that complements your room is one of the best and the most affordable things that you can do. The second thing that you can add to your bedding space and your bedroom is wall art, wall decor. It can be anything. It can be a mirror, it can be picture frames like I have here, it can be some sort of art form, it can be anything. You can add this and it makes a world of difference, especially if you do not have any headboard. You also could get some, if you could get some large photos or some large frames. If you have a large enough art form, you can literally just place it right here. So in order for you can literally just place it. If it's large enough, like it's super large, you can place it behind the bed, and it will basically look like a headboard, but not really a headboard, and it will just look pretty unique and dope. The third thing that you can do is use drapes. Get some drapes. So I got these curtains. It actually came with the bedding set, which was pretty cool, so it complements everything. And all I did was just stick it together. If I wanted to, I could have just released them and have them like flowing. Your you want everything to complement each other, but it doesn't have to be matchy, right? So if you choose to go this route, this brings texture and it brings softness to your space, you know, a little romantic thing to your space, and it also gives this airy vibe going for it. And if you don't want to do one and you want to do all three like I did, you will end up with something like this. You have other options where you can get some contact paper or wallpaper and add it. You can also repaint the wall if you wanted to make that wall look a little bit different from the other sides in your room. Those are little things that you can do. It does not cost you anything really to do something a little bit different, and not because you don't have one of those fancy headboards that means that your place can't look good, right? No boring gal thing, no boring man thing either. And it's really as simple as that. It's not gonna cost you a pretty penny. It's just you trying to be creative and doing something a little bit different in your space. I hope this video served some purpose. I hope you can use these ideas to invent or to recreate your own space. And as always, until next time, keep safe. Bye.